Are you ready to explore some incredible destinations without the hassle of a visa? Let's dive into 10 amazing countries you can visit visa-free. First up, Thailand, where you can marvel at the Grand Palace in Bangkok and relax on the stunning beaches of Phuket. Next, Indonesia beckons with the majestic Borobudur Temple and the vibrant culture of Bali. In Malaysia, don't miss the iconic Petronas Twin Towers and the historic streets of Georgetown. The Philippines offers the historic charm of Intramuros and the breathtaking beauty of the Chocolate Hills. Turkey invites you to explore the architectural wonders of Istanbul, including the stunning Hagia Sophia. Brazil dazzles with the iconic Christ the Redeemer and the lively beaches of Rio de Janeiro. Serbia's rich history shines in Belgrade and Novi Sad, while Fiji's warm hospitality awaits you in its pristine islands. The Maldives is a tropical paradise with crystal-clear waters and luxurious resorts. Finally, Singapore captivates with its vibrant culture and attractions like Universal Studios. Pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure.